Oh, hey, folks, elder law care attorney Patrick Kelleher coming to you from elderlawcare.com. Folks, one of our loyal YouTube subscribers sent in a great question. Hey, Patrick, I think I understand Medicaid is for long-term care, but what about that other government program that is called Medicare? And how does that work in my estate plan? What are some of the home health benefits? Well, folks, this is a very common question. What is the difference between Medicaid versus Medicare? When you're thinking of Medicaid, think of long-term care, skilled nursing facility. Medicaid is a government benefit. When you cannot pay for the skilled nursing facility, 18 grand or more per month. But the question here today is about Medicare, right? Medicare folks, most folks are eligible for Medicare at the age 65. Medicare is not for long-term care. Medicare is for short-term care. When my late dad ended up taking a bad fall at home, Medicare covered for a period of time. Part A, typically hospitalization. Part B, medical insurance for maybe some in-home care or physical therapy, occupational therapy at a rehab facility. Medicare does not pay for long-term care. You either have to pay privately out of your pocket, right? Your life savings, or get on Medicaid. Hopefully your home is protected as well, because if it is not, Medicaid is permitted to put a lien on your home to enforce what they call estate recovery. That's for Medicaid. Medicare, typically, you're going to receive that for short-term care, hospitalizations, physical therapy, maybe after a surgery. It'll pay for some in-home care. Let's talk more specifically about that. If somebody is receiving in-home care because they are maybe housebound, you're not able to leave the house without great difficulty, so long as your doctor certifies Medicare benefits, you may receive Medicare benefits part-time at home for up to 60 days. Then your doctor needs to recertify for another 60 days, hopefully. Again, it's part-time, not full-time care. Maybe wound dressing care, things of that nature. Some light activities of daily living help, if it's solely not just for that, to help you get out of bed, shower, and clothe. If that's supplemental, additional to the other care that they're in the house for. And the folks that typically would come in, they have to be a certified Medicare helper. They have to be on the list for Medicare, for the Medicare department, okay? And another benefit that a lot of folks are unaware of, Medicare will sometimes also pay for medical devices, medical equipment, but not all of it. They may cover 80% cost. You would have to pay about 20% cost for wheelchairs, walkers, maybe even oxygen tanks. Sadly, I've had clients with that situation if they have serious pulmonary or other medical issues. Medicare may cover the lion's share of the expenses for those medical devices, okay? Again, think of it as short-term care. Another important home benefit of Medicare is hospice. Medicare will certify, so long as your doctor signs off on it, or your licensed nurse practitioner or certified doctor will take care of it. Medicare will pay for hospice up to 180 days, and then they'll recertify, so long as your doctor signs off on that, or a nurse practitioner, or a physician's assistant. It has to be a licensed medical professional, doctor, nurse practitioner, or physician assistant, they call PA. They can sign off on your end-of-life hospice care. Medicare typically would cover that. They may not cover all of the care. Like my late mom, we had to supplement that with private pay nurses coming in as well. So there you have it, folk. Medicare right there. If you'd like to learn more, recommend pick up a copy of my book on Amazon, How to Slay the Metaphorical Four-Headed Beast of Elder Law, 20 strategies that will help you win the battle. Folks, learn more. Click the subscribe button. Go to elderlawcare.com. Thanks for joining us here today. We'll see you in the next video.